Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello, future anatomists. In this video, I will explain how to study the bones for anatomy. We'll cover an easy guide to mastering the human skeleton, which comprises over 200 bones. First, we'll discuss a systematic approach to identifying each bone. Then, we'll explore effective study methods to help you remember complex structures. Finally, we'll look at how to review and apply your knowledge for long-term understanding. Let's get started on this fascinating journey. A systematic approach is crucial for identifying bones. Begin by observing the bone's overall shape and size. For example, is it long, short, flat, or irregular? Next, determine if it's part of the axial skeleton, like the skull or vertebrae, or the appendicular skeleton, such as a limb bone. Then, meticulously locate and name major anatomical landmarks, like the greater trochanter on the femur or the olecranon process on the ulna. Understanding these features is key to mastering bone anatomy. To truly master bone anatomy, employ effective study methods. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing the names of bones and their numerous features. Drawing and labeling bones from different perspectives helps solidify your understanding of their three-dimensional structure. Hands-on learning with physical bone models or advanced three-dimensional digital applications provides invaluable tactile and visual experience. Additionally, studying with peers allows for collaborative learning and reinforces your knowledge through discussion and reciprocal teaching. Consistent review and application are vital for long-term retention. Make it a habit to regularly revisit bones you've already studied, perhaps once every 2 or 3 days. Challenge yourself by identifying bones and their specific landmarks without any aids. Crucially, link bone anatomy to its functional role, understanding how muscles attach and how joints articulate to facilitate movement. Applying your knowledge to a complete skeletal model helps integrate individual bone facts into a comprehensive anatomical picture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.